Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to take out the old plate lights and switch them up for some new modern Xenon LED lights, so that it just makes your car look more out there and it will just make the car look so much better than it does originally from standard. So all we're going to be doing guys is using these LEDs, and you literally just take the plastic out above the plate with a flathead screwdriver and you just pry it out, pull it down, take the old bulb out, and then obviously clip the new one in, and it will take as long as 5 minutes guys. Just make sure you're not too rough with it so you don't break it. Without further ado, let's install them. So as you can see at the moment, this is what they look like. We're going to be changing them so they look more like this. All you have to do is just literally get a flathead, and where you can see the little clip just there, all you want to do is just get it in place and push down with the screwdriver. It comes down just like that. Then all you want to do is just disconnect it, just twist it here and then just pull, and there you have the old bulb. You can just put that to one side and then just pull this one out just like that. Now it's out, and then you put the new one just in there. So now guys, I've got my new LED bulbs and I'm going to do a side-by-side comparison of what the old one looks like as standard and the new LED one. And as you can see there, that is the Xenon edition. Then all you're going to want to do, put this end where it's silver just into that part there. So all you do is just get it here. It might be a bit tight, but just give it a good push. And just like that guys, the new light is on. You can already tell it's so much brighter than the original one. That's the old one. That can just go now. And yeah guys, let's get this back on it and we'll be done. So now you just want to get this piece here. So just put it in like that, and twist it. There it is there. And now we just put it back under above the number plate. You want to put the left side in first and then just move to the right and just clip it up just like that, and it is done. You can tell the difference from the left side and the right side, and that is just a major difference. You can already see that it glows up way more than it does on the right side. So now let's get the other one out. So it's just the same again. Put it in like that and just push down, pull it and twist it and just pull it off like that. And obviously guys, you need to wait because they're on and they are a little bit hot. So the best bet is just to get like a little cloth or something and then just give it a little pull and just put it down somewhere that's not going to break unless you don't want them anymore. This is the pack as well guys, if you want to know what it is, and it'll be in the description anyway, the link of the exact ones I've got. And just the same again, just here meets the chrome on the light bulb, on the bulb itself. And as you can see guys, it is in. You just put it back in this little pod and twist, start from the opposite side of the clip and then just push it in, and it is done. And that is it guys, that is the LED Xenon light bulbs for the number plates. And that just brings out the car so much more than it did originally. So this is a before guys, as you can see there. There's not much to it, it doesn't really light up the car. So there you have it between the standard one and the new one. And as you can see guys, it is just so much cleaner and way nicer. It looks so much more modern now. It just looks mad, it's different. A 2009 Vauxhall Corsa D hatchback, and it looks like it's just come out of 2021 or something. It looks so much nicer guys. So I definitely recommend this product. Alright guys, and obviously this is it in the dark, and as you can see, it literally looks like we have front lights, but on the back of the car, it's just insane. Literally goes from nearly one end of the car to another end of the car. And that guys is the LED Xenon plate lights. In the dark.
AK Marv produced it.
Alright guys, so if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. If you have any questions or anything you're stuck on, then just please comment down below, or any more video ideas you want to see in the future. But thanks for watching this video, guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.